Professional car detailing versus do-it-yourself, DIY. Car detailing is a crucial aspect of maintaining your vehicle's appearance and preserving its value. Whether you choose to enlist the services of a professional or embark on a do-it-yourself, DIY, journey, each approach has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Professional car detailing, the pros. Expertise and experience. Professional detailers have extensive experience and training, ensuring a thorough and polished result. They are equipped with the knowledge to handle a variety of materials and finishes, addressing specific needs effectively. Time savings. Hiring a professional saves you time, allowing you to focus on other priorities while your car gets expert attention. Professionals often work efficiently, delivering quicker results than an average DIY session. Specialized tools and products. Detailing services often use specialized tools and high-quality products that may not be readily available to consumers. Access to professional-grade equipment can lead to a more refined finish and longer-lasting results. Convenience. Professional detailing services are convenient, offering appointments that fit your schedule. Many professional detailers provide mobile services, bringing the expertise to your doorstep. Professional car detailing, the cons. Cost. Professional detailing services can be more expensive than a DIY approach, particularly for frequent treatments. Dependency. You rely on someone else to care for your car, which may not align with hands-on car enthusiasts or those who enjoy maintaining their vehicles. Limited personalization. Professionals may follow standardized procedures, limiting the ability to tailor the detailing process to specific preferences. DIY car detailing, the pros. Cost-effective. DIY detailing is often more budget-friendly, as you can choose products and tools based on your budget and needs. Control and personalization. DIY allows you to have complete control over the detailing process, ensuring that your car is treated exactly how you want. You can experiment with different products to find what works best for your specific vehicle. Learning experience. Detailing your car yourself is a hands-on learning experience, allowing you to understand your vehicle's surfaces and materials. DIY car detailing, the cons. Time-consuming. DIY detailing can be time-consuming, especially if you lack experience or if you are attempting more intricate procedures. Skill requirement. Achieving professional-level results requires practice and skill development. Limited equipment. DIY enthusiasts may not have access to certain professional tools and equipment, potentially impacting the final outcome. Conclusion. Finding the right balance. In the end, the choice between professional car detailing and the DIY approach depends on your priorities, available time, and budget. Some car owners prefer the convenience and expertise of professionals, while others relish the hands-on experience and cost savings of DIY. Ultimately, striking the right balance between the two approaches can lead to a well-maintained vehicle that reflects your personal care and style.